Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gateway Solutions. How are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Today this is our 12th video of our course Linux for Beginner 2021. In this video we are going to talk about ls command in Linux with example, theoretical and practical explanation. Before starting a class, I am requesting to you please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for notification of upcoming video. In the previous lecture, we saw the components of Linux command. In the course, I am using Kali, which is Debian based Linux distro. Let's start ls command in Linux with example. What is ls command? Ls command is used to list files and directory. And what is ls command? To list files and directories and to see their properties. If we want to explain ls in one line, the ls command is one of the many Linux commands that allow a user to list files and directories from command line interface. As you see on the screen, with the ls command, we are able to view files and directories from your current working directory. ls command is used to list files and directories in Linux or Unix based operating system. Just like navigating in your Explorer or Finder with graphic user interface, the ls command allows you to list all files and directories in the current working directory by default and further interact with them via the command line interface. Some parameters of ls command: dash a, double dash a double l, dash a and double dash a primarily list files and directories including hidden files and directories in the Linux. Anything begin with dot that is considered as hidden file. Dash l use a long listing format. Lists a content of the directory in table format with content permissions, size of content in bytes, last modified date, count, owner and group of files and directories name of the content. Dash h or double dash human readable with L and or S print human readable sizes. Example 1K means 1 kilobyte, 234M means 234 MB, 2G means 2 GB. Dash H or double dash human readable display size information with human readable format. Dash S or double dash size print the allocated size of each file in block. Dash S or double dash size, where S is in lowercase, list files and directories with their size. Dash S in uppercase, sort by file size, display largest file first. Uppercase S list files and directories sort by date and time in descending order or from largest to smallest. Finally, dash T is list files and directories by last modified date and time in descending order. Let's go ahead and practice. Go with Kali. Login with your credential of Kali Linux. If you are not changed default user and password, that is Kali. Otherwise, you will enter your password and press enter. Open up your terminal. This is a icon of terminal emulator. You can open it by click or you can press Ctrl Alt T from your keyboard. We can change the font size from preferences under the file menu. Click on change and enter font size as you want. Set the size to be 14. Okay, it's better for me. Or we can change the font size from the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl Shift plus. Okay, and when you want to decrease the font size, you will press Ctrl Shift plus minus. Let's run the ls command with help. ls double dash help. This command will show the detailed information. You can see the arguments, options and parameters. See here, you can use them when needed. They all are here. So show you some of the most common options, and by the way, you can clear the screen with Ctrl plus L, or we can use the command clear, or we can clear the screen with the help of Ctrl plus L. Let's list the files under the user bin folder with AL parameters. ls-al/user/bin. User bin is the path from where, path or a directory, bin directory, from where we want to see the content. \user/bin will show the all files or contents of bin directory with long listing format. Okay, press enter. As you see, this with permissions, read, write, execute, last modified date, this is modification date, size and more readable matter like as user name, group name and etc. Let's look at file size with human readable format. Ctrl L to clear screen. ls-al/h. H means human readable information. Now press enter. As you see, the file size is human readable. 4.2K, 3.5K. In the previous command, they were shown like this, and now they are having a unit to understand easy. Next parameter is lowercase s. Okay, ls we can use without any other parameter. ls-s. As you see, it will show the total size of all files and directories and size of each file. Okay. Finally, next we can use next parameter t. al, t and dash. Press enter. As you see, it shows the files and directories by the last modified date. This is date and time from biggest to smaller. So in this video we are used dash s in lowercase, dash s uppercase, dash t, dash l, dash s, h. Beside all these commands, ls command having lots of other options and parameters. You can get them with the help of double dash help command, this. And if you forget any command or you are not sure about what to do, you use the help command, and one more command is used for help, that is man space ls. Man command is used to the manuals of specific commands. Man space ls and press enter. So friends, practice options which are required us in a daily routine use. Beside these, you can also practice the remaining parameters. Hope you understand about ls command in Linux. If you have any query, you can comment me below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Bye.